I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com. I'm here with our kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. Okay, you probably noticed I gave my man Walter the day off. He's been replaced temporarily with this flag. One of our kick-ass customers flew in our honor. We're really proud of that. So now in the Fly Racing Helmet Garage, staying consistent with the theme we have over here to my right, I've got the Bell Star MIPS Torsion helmet. Red, white, and blue colorway here. The pictures online, they just don't do it justice. Whoever takes pictures of the Bell helmets, I don't know, man. I'm not very good at it. Because the detail that you see in person is a lot more than you see through those pictures. They also have, through this month, and I believe next month as well, you purchase a Bell Star MIPS or Bell Race Star helmet, they're going to give you the clear shield that it ships with and a free dark smoke. And you know what? That is never bad. That's a nice add-on. Everybody wants it. This is an absolutely gorgeous graphic. I got another one I want to show you. Can't buy this anymore. It's long gone, long closed out. This is an exclusive one we had many, many years back. This was our Bell RS1 Born Free. So there you have it. Two kick-ass red, white, and blue helmets.